One of the things that scares the ever-living out of people in cryptocurrency is the volatility. They are very volatile assets. They move up and down very fast, and that naturally leads to a lot of fear for some people. Now, the interesting thing about Bitcoin is that it has actually gotten less and less volatile as we've moved from cycle to cycle. So typically these cycles in crypto, they last about 4 years. You go through three years of green and 1 year of red, 1 year of bear market, which we are currently in right now. We are currently in the bear market cycle. Now, what has been shown over time is that the amount of drawdown from the all-time high has actually lessened. And in fact, we can see that each subsequent market cycle has had lessening volatility. In fact, that first bear market cycle that happened at the end of 2011 went through into 2012. We actually saw a pullback of 91%. The following bear market cycle was a pullback of 82.75%. Following cycle, 82.63%. And the current bear market cycle that we are in was a pullback of 76.92% from the all-time high to the current low. So the point is the longer that these assets exist in the marketplace, the less and less volatile they become. The harder it is for the needle to actually be moved. Now, this isn't to say that crypto as a whole is going to become less volatile over time. As new coins are introduced, as new chains, end up coming out, there will be volatility just by the nature of the asset. But when we look 10, 20, 30 years from now, cryptocurrency is going to be in a very different place than how it currently exists. And by that time, I'm guessing, the adoption for crypto is going to be at a very high rate. And these volatility spikes that we see right now just simply won't exist at that point in time. So that is definitely something to look forward to. But I thought this was interesting, wanted to share it with you, but we appreciate you guys as always. Definitely show your support here for the Clear Crypto channel. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe, hit that bell, stay updated anytime there is new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we really hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.